Hello. Good morning, candidates. I am now waiting for a candidate to join us for SEBI Grade A officer interview. Yeah, I'm expecting him to join us. Yeah, he has come. He'll be joining us now. Good morning, Trivikram. Good morning, Trivikram. हेलो, आपको माइक को ऑन कर दीजिए ना. प्लीज अनम्यूट योर माइक. हेलो, प्लीज अनम्यूट योर माइक. त्रिविक्रम नायक, आप बात कर लीजिए. हेलो, त्रिविक्रम नायक. या त्रिविक्रम नायक, आर यू एबल टू हियर मी? आर यू एबल टू हियर मी? हेलो त्रिविक्रम, आर यू एबल टू हियर मी? आप सुन रहे हैं? त्रिविक्रम नायक चला गया बाहर. हेलो मिस्टर नायक. हेलो हेलो हेलो, आर यू एबल टू हियर मी? आपको या त्रिविक्रम,
Yes,
आर
sir.
यू एबल टू हियर मी?
Yes, sir. Clearly, sir.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा, अभी प्लीज स्पीक. यू आर फ्रॉम विच प्लेस?
I am from Mumbai, sir.
Oh, you are from Mumbai. Good. Excellent. Are you ready for the mock interview?
Uh, yes, sir.
You
Sir,
are ready?
I am audible, right, sir?
You are audible. You are audible and I am able to hear you. Oh, good. I am able to
Hello,
see
sir.
you. How are
Yes,
you?
sir.
How are
Fine,
you?
sir. I am fine, sir.
Excellent. एक मिनट ठहरिए, हम तो दूसरा फाइल कुछ ले लेंगे. या करेक्ट. Yeah, Sibi, yeah. Is it okay now? I can see you, you can see me, and I can
Yes, sir.
see the questions also. Please introduce yourself.
Sir, myself Trivikram, born and brought up in Mumbai here only. Went to Shriram Vidyalaya, Airoli school, completed my 10th there. Post that, chose commerce as my stream, uh, uh, and took admission in Bedekar College in Thane. Completed graduation from there only in 2017. Scored grade A in graduation. Also completed
Graduation,
my
which
CA.
subject? Which subject did you
BCom,
study?
plain BCom, sir. Plain BCom.
BCom.
Bachelor of
Yeah.
Then completed my CA final in May 2019.
Okay.
And my work ex completed 3 years of articleship as per CA rules. Post that joined Elysium Capital in Jan 19. Worked till March 20. Was supposed to join in April 20 at NKGSB Bank, but unfortunately lockdown hit and couldn't join.
What
Had
is
to
that? What is that NKG?
NKGSB Cooperative Bank, sir.
Oh, cooperative bank. Achha.
Yes.
Uh,
They have their branches in Mumbai, uh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat. Three
hmm,
states they have their presence.
hmm.
So joined in June and working in till there only in NKGSB presently as a
Oh,
senior officer in credit department,
very
advances
good.
department.
NKGSB.
Yes.
What is the expansion for the NKGSB?
It's North Canara Gauda Saraswat Brahman Cooperative Bank.
Oh, North Canada means, does it come under Karnataka? No.
Yes. It was primarily based out of Karnataka only.
Oh, its headquarters is in Karnataka?
No. Headquarters in Mumbai only, Mumbai.
Mumbai
So
only.
you must be knowing the community GSB.
GSB, I have not heard. GSB का मतलब?
Gauda Saraswat Brahman.
Oh, very good, very good. That's right.
So
Now, can you please tell me say your job experience now?
So I have completed my articleship. During my articleship, my primary role was related to finance, credit only, not much of tax or audit. Post that, I have joined Elysium Capital, which was into debt syndication. We arranged fund debt primarily from banks to private companies, real estate, non-real estate. And in NKGSB2, I have rolling credit analysis only. Means mostly towards finance.
Mostly
So
into
we do,
finance.
yes. So in present role at NKGSB, we do appraisals of the borrowers of the bank. So I have been allotted a portfolio of around 22 accounts, which approx value you can say 60 crores.
Oh,
So yearly renewals. We have been provided. Means the accounts are going on since long. We have been provided them working capital facilities, so we have to renew them year on year. Then there are some new proposals coming to bank. We have to assess them whether or not to give them finance, etc. So that is my basic role.
now you
Credit
said
appraisal.
you have about 20 proposals with you, and the
Uh,
average maybe around 60 crore
yes. Or total
total. Yeah, each
portfolio
one
value.
roughly 3 crores or so. Now,
Yes.
what are the nature of companies? Majority of companies belonging to sugar industry or
No, manufacturing, mostly manufacturing, service industry. Uh, the portfolio is spread around different sectors.
manufacturing? What?
Manufacturing small items. Example, we have a construction or designer. I have a group which is into construction industry. I have a group which is into manufacturing of food items,
ऐसा बताना है.
FMCG.
ऐसा
Yes.
specifically बताना है. Manufacturing of food items like say um, jam, sauce, flour,
Yes.
like that.
Okay. Okay.
Specifically
Um,
इनका बारे में 4 or 5 companies का बारे में जान लो जी, so that you can
okay.
talk specifically about it, because this question
Okay.
will certainly come for you.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So please prepare for that in detail. अभी जरूरत नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं.
Okay.
अच्छा, आपने
Okay.
बोला है you have worked in Credit Elysium Capital Advisory. उसका उधर में
Yes.
क्या काम किया था आपने?
There also similar role only. It was a kind of intermediary. Means we used to arrange funds for the companies who needed debt. Let's say an ex company needs a term loan for setting up new factory or working capital limit. And then they used to approach us. We used to analyze the company, and then which banker is appropriate for that company. We used to approach that bank and arrange the debt. All means it was a kind of intermediary debt syndication, right?
Very good, very good. So now tell me, why do you want to leave your present job? Is it because the salary is low, or what is the reason?
So from the beginning of in CA, you can say that there are three fields which a CA can pursue through. One is in tax. Sorry, four fields. One is into taxation, other is into audit, other is into finance and accounting. So my interest was into finance only, and now I'm currently into finance only. And now capital markets is also area of
I think,
my
I think,
interest.
I think, Trivikram, you are taking such a long time. Yampar, the
Okay,
question was
okay,
very simple. I asked,
okay.
why do you want to shift over? Specific
S-
answer देना चाहिए.
okay. So one is obviously a salary reason. Second is
No, you can be
we
specific. You can say the salary received is low as compared to the salary available in SEBI.
SEBI.
Be
Yes.
specific. Second,
Then it will also be a matter of prestige joining a SEBI, a regulator, market regulator.
Very good.
Third, being a government job, it gives a what safety kind of sense, a job safety. And also we have heard and read also the career opportunities further in SEBI. Would like to grow further in my career along with SEBI.
You said this is a government job. Is it a government job?
Yes, it's a government job.
Uh, it is a it's a statutory company, no?
Statutory, it's a statutory body, we can say that.
Statutory body, and it is not. You can't call it government.
Okay,
It is not government. It is a government company, probably,
government. Okay,
or a statutory company. It was established in which year?
it was established by an executive order in 1988, and it got statutory status in 1992 by passing of SEBI Act.
So you were telling while answering me a question that monetary regulator. What is monetary regulator functions?
Sorry, monetary means what are the functions of SEBI? Your
Yeah.
question is right.
Yeah.
It regulates market, capital markets, market intermediaries like stockbrokers, mutual funds, protect the interest of investors, to ensure that no unfair trade practices are carried out, and to promote and regulate capital markets in India.
So have you gone through the website of our SEBI?
Yes, sir.
Why are you hesitating to say yes?
Means not in detail. I've gone through.
Can you tell me what are the various departments that are there in our SEBI?
I can name a few, not all departments, sir.
Yeah.
Commodity derivative market regulation.
That is the first department given on top, correct?
Yes.
Excellent.
Then we have enforcement department, we have refunds and recovery department, we have market regulation department, we have market intermediaries regulation department, investment management department, corporate finance department, and general services department, HR department.
Good.
Yes, so that's all.
Department of Economic and Department of Economic and Policy Analysis.
Policy analysis, yes.
Department of Debt and Hybrid Securities.
Okay.
Enquiries and Adjudication Department. In Enforcement Department itself, you have 1 and 2.
Okay.
And the other things you told. Division of Foreign Portfolio Investors and Custodians. Information Technology Department.
Okay.
And I think you told about Integrated Surveillance Department.
No, I missed that.
You missed that, Hacha. Investigations Department, Investment Management Department, Legal Affairs Department, Market Intermediaries Regulation and Supervision Department, Office of International Affairs, Office of Investor Assistance and Education, then Office of the Chairman or Regional Offices, Vigilance Department.
Yes, sir.
So many things are there. In fact, I was not aware about this. Just now I got hold of this.
Yes, sir.
How many regional offices are there?
Sir, 4 regional offices. One in Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, and Ahmedabad.
Acha, good. Excellent. Acha, what is your father?
Sorry.
What is your father?
My father, he's self-employed only, an auto rickshaw driver, sir, in Mumbai.
Really? Auto rickshaw driver?
Yes, sir.
Oh God, in Mumbai?
Yes, sir.
I'm really happy. Yes, brought you up to this level.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, how many siblings do you have?
No, single, sir. I'm single.
Single? Arey bhai, बहुत बोर लगेगा ना? बहुत बोर लगेगा. But do you have cousins?
Yeah, I have cousins, but no, nobody is here. We are the only family in Mumbai. Rest all the relatives are in at my native place, Udupi, Karnataka.
Acha, acha. You are staying in rented house?
Yes, yes, sir.
Very good. Even now, your father is driving auto rickshaw?
Yes, yes. Till to until I get this job, sir.
So he is now run. But I am told in Mumbai, auto rickshaw drivers are very honest. They will take only a regular fare and they won't ask more. What type of a person is your father?
Similar kind, sir. Similar. Not all are honest. I can say that.
Uh,
There are some
Charge
who may
more.
fraud. Yeah, yeah. It depends on the customer. They can read the customer. He is in new to Mumbai or is he a regular customer?
वो
Based
न्यू
on
होने
that.
से थोड़ा ज्यादा लेगा.
Yes, yes, sir.
Oh, अच्छा, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Good. What are NPA and how can you use your technical knowledge in correcting the balance sheet?
Sir, NPS is a non-performing asset. The technical definition can be said that when a loan or a EMI, interest or a EMI is not served for 90 days or more, it becomes automatically becomes an NPA, non-performing asset. And as per RBI norms, the bank has to create provisions for the same. And to reduce the NPS, a bank should have a robust mechanism for monitoring. Let's say an account defaults one EMI, the bank should start pursuing the customer. The monitoring process and the recovery process of the bank should be strong. And if a customer defaults in his EMI, the reasons for the same should be known, should be asked. And there can be various reasons for the same, and accordingly, banks should take the action.
Good.
So main is
Excellent.
monitoring and recovery.
Excellent. Tell us about your native place and famous places near it.
So frankly speaking, I'm brought up in Mumbai only, born and brought up in Mumbai only. So not don't know much about the native place, but it's Udupi. My
No, but you can call Mumbai itself as your native place.
okay, yeah, I can call it Mumbai also my
Yeah,
native
because
place.
you are
Okay.
born and brought up here.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
okay, yes, sir.
So you can as well call that as your native place.
Okay.
And
So in
continue.
Mumbai,
Yeah.
sorry. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You was.
मुंबई मुंबई के बारे में बताइए. मुंबई के बारे में बताना तो बहुत मुश्किल है.
Mumbai is a very busy city. Here people don't have time to see each other's face, to talk, to give 2 minutes to each other. But there are a lot of attractions in Mumbai. You can go to Gateway of India, Marine Drive. A night at Marine Drive is a good one. People spend time there, and there are a lot of Mumbai is famous for fast food. Means you can get a variety of fast food from in Ghatkopar in Mumbai, CST proper Mumbai. Then you have a hill station not far from Mumbai, Matheran hill station. Then we have Lonavala, which is a famous for Mumbai. Means most of the Mumbaikars spend their weekend in Lonavala.
What do you know about Co-Win?
Sorry, what do you know about?
Co-Win. COWIN.
COWIN. No, sir.
Co-Win. It has got something to do with Corona. It's a government say website which is accepting the registrations for this jab or
Vaccinations.
vaccination.
Okay.
इसमें लिखा है आज का कागज में आया है न्यूज़पेपर. So you have to go through newspaper regularly because questions can be based on what is the current headlines today.
Okay.
यहाँ पर today headlines is coronavirus Co-Win. Co-Win is a government website upgraded to accept 1 crore registrations per day after April 1. See, unless it allows registration, they will not give you vaccination.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So that process is being upgraded ahead of rollout of vaccination. You know why they are doing like this from 1st April? They want to have more than 1 crore. What is the reason for
Because
this? Yeah,
from 1st April, people above 45 are allowed to take vaccines, sir.
excellent. I am happy. You told the right thing. You know who is R.S. Sharma?
No, sir.
Have you heard of R.S. Sharma? R.S.
No,
Sharma
no,
is
sir.
the chairman of Empowered Group on COVID vaccination.
Okay.
I think he was previously in TRAI, TRAI,
TRAI. Okay. Telecom Regulatory Authority of
Authority
India.
of India. Good. Achha, now there can be a question, embarrassing question for you regarding President signing Central's Delhi bill law. You know about that, you have to get to know about it.
I don't know much about that, but I have read that it gives more power to central government rather than the local Delhi government.
Pardon, pardon.
In
The powers are more for central government than the Delhi
Yes,
government. Oh, that is the dispute being raised about it.
yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Good. That's right. More or less like that. But थोड़ा details बताने से
Deep में.
थोड़ा
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए. अच्छा.
Yes, sir.
When was Bangladesh got liberated? Hello.
Bangladesh.
You know why
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm asking about it, because Prime Minister
The
was,
recent news.
yeah,
Yes, yes, recent news.
yeah.
No, sir. Actually, I don't know the exact year, sir.
71.
Sorry. 1971.
Yeah, for a few days you must know about Bangladesh. All those people who are appearing for interview must get to know
Okay.
about Bangladesh, coronavirus, then
Okay.
Delhi bill. ये सब
Okay.
पता समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
And another important news that can be asked from the angle of commerce is Suez Canal. Why there is a lot of discussion
Yes,
about Suez Canal?
because Suez Canal is a shortcut for cargo from Europe to this Asia side. So recently a ship was blocked. A ship turned its way due to the winds, and due to which the traffic has been stopped. A lot of ships are waiting to cross the canal. It's been almost a week. The governments are trying to clear the traffic,
Yeah, you know
and
how many ships are waiting roughly?
roughly I've read about it's 20 to 25 ships, something are some are waiting.
Abhi 300 to 400.
Okay. Oh.
Now 300
So
to
due to
400. If they want to take a circuitous route, it may take about 1 week more time.
okay,
Not only that,
and
involve expenditure.
it will yes, and it will increase the traffic in the ports which they will reach.
Yeah, so very good. Now,
This will also affect inflation.
yeah, Prime Minister Modi handed over which peace prize for Sheikh Mujibur Rahman? His relative Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was the first president or prime minister of Bangladesh. His legal heirs are in power now in our Bangladesh. He has been given Gandhi Peace Prize.
Okay.
So please get to know something about Gandhi Peace Prize.
Okay.
Very good. That's right. Now let me come again to Corona. SEBI. What are the functions of SEBI? Can you tell me in detail now? Functions क्या है? Initially we discussed only about departments. अभी उनका functions क्या है?
So to protect the interest of investors, to regulate capital markets, to promote and regulate capital markets, and to promote and regulate market intermediaries, to make rules and regulations regarding capital markets
Hmm.
as per the powers provided to them under SEBI Act
No, but can we not tell,
1992.
can we not tell, I don't know, please go through the website and get to know. Can we not
Okay.
tell about, say, approval of prospectus, then IPOs, something like that, you know. So please, थोड़ा और भी अच्छा से बोलना है.
Okay. Okay. Understood.
That is, what are the things actually SEBI का मतलब क्या है? SEBI is a person who accepts initial public offer का application. Application ka prospectus will be submitted by the merchant banker. He goes through
Okay.
the prospectus and then approves it. Then they go for IPO, and
Okay.
also maybe they go through the further balance sheets, etc., of the companies to find out, and also they check up whether they are making any violations in the
Okay.
stock exchange. ऐसा मपी ये सब तो बोलना है ना.
Okay.
थोड़ा
So
आपका आंसर को और भी more related to stock exchange, the major function of SEBI, उसका बारे में थोड़ा modify करके रखना है.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah. Why should we hire you?
Uh, Sir, I can tell my strengths and both weaknesses.
That is,
So along,
yeah, that is what you have to do. The question like, why should we hire you? What are the strengths in you? And what makes you think you are more suitable for this post? For all these questions, the answer is only this. You are going to tell about your strengths, plus points, and how they can be put into use into SEBI. In fact, there can be a question sometimes how your knowledge, your skill can be of use for SEBI. That can also be asked. Now try this.
sir, my strength is I have from a beginning to clear CA, I have had a good conceptual clarity of everything. That is my plus point. I have worked in organization. I'm pretty good in teamwork. Then I have my weakness. I can say that I have a bit a problem of overthinking before doing something or before talking to something. I overthink a lot, but I have been working on the same as well. Then
Do you think it is a
I
negative point or a positive point?
overthink. It's negative also, it's positive also. Overthinking can help you to assess a situation. You can assess a problem, you can get new insights. It's also a negative point, as in it puts you in under pressure. You sometimes sometimes what happens is you
No,
आप
but
सही रास्ते पे नहीं जाते.
I will rate you as a plus point person, you know, because you know
Okay.
I'm not sure you are a person who wanted this interview on 29th. I think you wrote to me somewhere around 22nd or 23rd. I'm not sure.
Yes.
Must
Yes,
be,
sir.
yeah. Um,
So today is a holiday. That's why, sir. I've been presently. I'm working. It's a March ending. I have pressure at my office also. March ending pressure.
yeah.
Today is a holiday in Mumbai, so
Oh,
that's why I chose Monday.
acha, today is because of Holi.
Yes, 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 sir.
Yeah, you wrote to me on 23rd.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So that shows you are planning things properly, and that is a plus point only. I won't
Yes,
call
sir.
you.
Planning.
Planning is good, and I don't you not don't have to tell about your too. I mean,
Weakness.
what is the negative? You said too much worrying,
Overthinking.
overthinking. It's not overthinking. It is you try to plan things properly. Okay.
Okay.
What are the other strengths in you that makes you think you are more suitable for this SEBI grade A officer post?
Sir, being into credit and finance since last 2 3 years, I have a strong hold on balance sheet and PNL. which I think can be useful for SEBI as well to catch hold of frauds or something like that.
Good. Excellent. Nice, nice. Now, let me come to another question. You are a chartered accountant.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me something about ratio analysis and how it
Uh,
is put into use by SEBI while evaluating proposals?
so ratio analysis uh, can be said that it's a ratio of two numbers. Let's say when you give two numbers, those doesn't mean anything. When you compare it in the form of ratio, they give a meaningful insight. The examples can be a net profit ratio, a gross profit ratio, turnover, current ratio, then debt equity ratio. And in SEBI, there is a rule that I uh, give me a second. Give me a second.
No, no
I need to
problem.
think on
Take
this
your
one.
own time. Take your own time.
Yes. One rule for buyback of securities by the company is that the debt equity ratio should not fall below 2:1. So it can be used that ratio analysis, so that post buyback of securities by the company, the ratio of debt to equity doesn't fall below 2:1.
So, have you come to know of the fact what are the things they look into before giving approval for IPO? इसका बारे में आप पढ़ना चाहिए. अभी
Okay.
नहीं चाहिए तो अभी if you are not aware of it, please get to know what are the various things they look into before giving IPO. Not only that, using ratio analysis, what do they understand about a company before giving approval? Could you follow?
Okay. So I can think of one point. So main reason for IPO is SEBI might be asking the company why do you need the capital? What will be the end use of the capital? And secondly, once the capital is raised, SEBI will monitor whether the same is used for the purpose which is stated to the public. Let's say a company comes up with an IPO to repay its debt, and once the capital is raised, has the debt been repaid or not? The SEBI will ensure that. That point I can think of it, sir.
Yeah, good. Can you tell me something about debt service coverage ratio?
Debt service cover The formula for debt service coverage ratio is EMI, principal paid plus interest paid during the year, divided by NPAT plus interest.
Good.
I-
Ajay,
so
can you
it
tell me
gives
who are the important directors in SEBI?
important directors. So SEBI board is made up of a chairman appointed by central government, two representatives from union ministry, one representative from RBI, and five other experts appointed by union government, of which three are full-time directors.
Mhm. Good. Now, can you tell me something about RTI Act 2005?
Right to Information Act.
Yeah.
Right to Information Act, I can say that if I want some information regarding any policy or say regarding any scheme or any numbers, then I can write to directly to the government under RTA to get that information.
Good.
And the government or the department which I'm writing to is obligated to write me under the act to reply to my questions.
Good. What are your hobbies?
So hobbies, until lockdown, I didn't had any what you can say any
Hobbies.
useful or hobbies. I watch movies and all because until now CA was CA has been a tough course for me. You have to read a lot. But in lockdown, I have picked a reading hobby. I have just started reading a book, Think Like Monk. It's my first book by Mr. Jay Shetty. I haven't completed it, but will
What
try
is
to
that book
incorporate
speaking
the.
about? What is that book speaking about?
Sir, the book's name is Think Like Monk. It says how to control your mind and how to focus on your goals. It's a non-fictional book.
Oh, good. Non-fictional book. Good. What is the movie you saw latest?
Latest movie, sir. So
I think
Justice League, Marvel,
pardon?
from Marvel Universe League.
Justice League. Acha, acha.
Yes, yes,
Nowadays, I think we see movies only through OTT, na?
yes,
Through
yes, yes.
through Prime or something on only. Because
Amazon Prime or
आजकल
Netflix.
आजकल थिएटर्स चलता है मुंबई में.
It were open, but now the theaters are open, but now the strict rules have been imposed by the government that post 8 o'clock the theater should be closed, but not full occupancy, at 50% occupancy.
Only 50% occupancy.
Yes.
Yeah. Acha, you know two-wheeler driving?
No, sir. No,
Why?
I don't have license.
I casually asked. I'm thinking that 100% you will know because your father is an auto rickshaw driver. हमने सोचा जरूर आप जानेंगे. आप क्यों लाइसेंस
No,
नहीं लिया?
no. So cycle also I recently learned a few months back to ride.
Hey, Baba.
That was funny
Acha,
point.
yeah, I think your mommy was very protective for you.
Yes, 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 yes. Single child, no, that's why.
Single child, that's the reason. अच्छा, कार गाड़ी चला आते हैं?
No, 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 no,
नहीं.
no, no, sir. No,
Because अभी
no
तो
vehicle.
खरीदा नहीं होगा. You
Yes,
have
yes,
you have to learn. Very good. Of course, बम्बई में गाड़ी नहीं चलने से तो अच्छा है. इधर उधर जाना बहुत बहुत तकलीफ.
Parking issues.
Parking issue and very heavily crowded city. Traffic is very heavy. I remember
Yes,
my
sir.
visiting Mumbai, where I was in Mumbai for 2 days. I could not meet a friend of mine whom I had not met for so many years.
Okay,
And in the
you,
end, he saw me in the airport only.
okay, oh,
He came to the airport to see me, and that happened in 2012.
okay,
Long back.
yeah, yeah.
So that's way it is all that's very interesting. Yeah, good. So, what is your career ambitions?
So want to pursue my career in finance only, and now in finance is as a finance being abroad, it includes many things. Now I'm focusing on capital markets. That's why I chose SEBI as my target.
What is capital market?
Capital, there are two types of market. One is capital market and money market. Capital markets is a market where long-term securities are traded, just like equity and debt securities, which mature after 1 year.
Good. Excellent. Very nice. I am extremely satisfied with your answering. You have answered very well. Absolutely no problem. This interview was for roughly for 35 plus minutes, whereas your real interview will be, in my view, only 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
that will not be a problem. You may be able to answer them very well. When is
Yes,
your
sir.
which date is interview?
So no, nothing has been received from
Very
SEBI
good.
yet.
If perchance you would like to meet again and talk to me, you can again pay 100 to Google Pay and write to me so that we can
Yes,
meet again and discuss. I can ask
definitely,
some
sir.
other
Definitely.
further questions also. That's all. But Abhi,
Okay. Yes.
I think then and there I corrected you. As it is, there is
Okay.
nothing to be told. Major item kuch nahi hai. You are answering
Okay.
very well. But
Crisp.
thoda smile होना है.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा स्माइल कम था अभी आ गया. थोड़ा स्माइल होने से you look very nice. You look
Yes, sir.
very nice. You look very beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Charming,
Thank you.
handsome. So थोड़ा स्माइल करने से अच्छा होगा.
Yes, sir.
आपको अरे आप तो अभी काम करते हैं. You are not unemployed. And
Yes, sir.
you will be getting SEBI. If you are not getting SEBI, you will get some other thing. So be
Okay.
cheerful and talk and go with more hopes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's what I would like to tell you. Do you have any questions?
No, sir. As of now, no. Thank you very much, sir, for your guidance.
Yeah, it's very good. I will post this in YouTube after a few minutes. you can also
Okay.
see that. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You
Thank you.
can
sir.
learn from that. Next time when we meet, I will ask still tougher questions to you.
Yes, sir. We'll be
And you
prepared,
must
sir.
be able to tell me very difficult things you have learned also.
Yes, sir.
So that
Yes, sir.
other candidates who listen to that, they may rate you well, they will also improve. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Yes. Bye. Bye, sir.